Hi everyone, so today we're making this little centerpiece thing that you can put a little candle in. I have this fake one because it's safer, and it looks like that. So if you want to make this, keep watching. So what you're going to need is a jar of some sort, which you don't want to be super too big because otherwise the balloons won't fit over it. So this is the size I'm using. It was a hot fudge or something. I took the label off. Some balloons in orange, yellow, and white, obvious reasons. You could either use a real candle if you want to, but I'll be using this little fake one because, yeah, I don't like fire. Scissors to like cut the balloons, and then you can use like some little like twine string, like I have this stuff, or like yarn or ribbon or whatever you want, or you can just skip it completely and just do the first part and just skip this, but I just have this stuff, so I figure I'll use it. What first you need to do, take your balloons and cut off the neck, so that like right about something like there, where it starts to be fairly wide, right there. If you have nicer scissors, it works way better. I have some other scissors I've tried to cut balloons with, and it's just like, you just saw through it. These are really nice. You want to cut the neck off all your balloons. You don't need the neck, so you can just chuck that aside or throw it away or whatever. But you need the rest of the balloons until you cut off the parts you don't need. And the camera just died. Sorry about that, I'm back. So you need to cut the necks off all your balloons. I have this orange one I gotta do, and then I gotta do the yellow one. It's not all exactly the same, it doesn't matter. So I gotta neck off this orange one, so I can throw the neck of the orange one away to keep the balloon. Yellow one. So yeah, we're going to start with the orange one first because you need to saw the bottom of it and everything to go all the way around. And open it up. You want to put it, basically just put it on the balloon, or the jar, I mean. See how far up it goes, and if you need to cut more off or not. So it's easier to cut more off than it is to add more back on. So testing and then cutting is better than cutting and then testing. You can cut the balloon at the bottom off too if you don't want the bottom to be covered. I just feel like I like that way it looks better when it's covered. I'm trying to get it on fairly good. It won't come back off on me. I'd rather have the balloons overlap a little bit than have a gap. So I got that. Like that. I'm actually remembered that the orange goes in the middle and the yellow goes in the bottom. So you can do this with the yellow one. So I'll be right back. So there you have the bottom covered. And you may want to cut just a little hole in this. Maybe become a little bubble, and then your thing might be wobbly, but you can test it out and decide if you need to do that or not. So you need to take orange, and you need to cut the other end off, so it's like basically a tube. You need to make sure that I cut the right part off, and I'm cutting off the side of the balloon. So I'm going to cut this part right here off. And just take your time, because it can be annoying to cut balloons because they're round and stuff. So just don't rush and make any mistakes. If you make a couple, doesn't matter. Just take your time and try to make it as best as you can. I got this part like this now. I'm going to take this, I'm going to go from the top of the balloon, the jar, and put it down above the orange. I mean the yellow. How my colors mixed up today. Doing this on can be tedious and annoying, so I'm going to straighten it out off camera and then come back. You just basically just pull it and readjust it, and it just takes time, so it's annoying, so I'll be back. So I'm back, and I got the orange on it. Just ended up cutting a little crooked, which is fine. You can always use this side as the front, or you can just cover up that with white, but yours probably got cut straight, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to cut the end off of this thing, this white one right here. Try to do better than I did with the orange one. So I cut that off. Now it's like a tube like the orange. I gotta stretch it over top. On the last for the top of the candy corn. And again, it's annoying to fix, and it looks much nicer once you fix it, so I'll fix it off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back again, and I got it all covered like this. So again, you want to test it out and see if it stands. Because if you put an aqua candle, you want it to be solid. If you put just like a little fake one like this in it, it doesn't really matter. But if you do, you might want to pop a hole in this so this might become a little bubble and make it crooked. But that's up to you. now you can take your ribbon or twine or yarn or whatever, and you can just wrap it on the top of the jar like this part right here, and tie it in a bow or a knot or whatever, and then you're pretty much done. So I'm going to do mine. So I'm going to just take it and wrap it. I got a whole bunch here, and then this is just one piece I randomly have, so I'm just going to tie it, wrap it a few times, and then tie it into like a nice little bow. Tie it in a knot, make sure my ends are even. Sorry you can't see any of this. Tie it in a bowl. Make it look cute like this. I'm going to spin the whole thing so that it's on the side I like better. So something like that. And then you take your little candle, and you either put it inside and light it, or you put this one in here and you go like that. And look how cute it is. And it flickers like a real candle because it's this weird little fake candle that flickers. That's cute. So there. And you can just repeat this for a whole bunch. You can have a whole bunch of tables, or just make one because they're annoying with the balloon stretching. But other than that, they're simple. If you like weird and simple things like this you can make for like parties, give it a thumbs up and comment down below any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!